What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I don't think you understand how valuable I believe XRP will be. Now, this is not everybody's belief. We understand that there are a lot of people out there that just don't believe in XRP and don't like XRP. And anybody that talks about XRP, they also don't like them. I know. I get those comments where people are like, "You're dumb, you're stupid, I will never follow you." And it's like, I don't know why people need to comment something like that. It's rude, but they have freedom of speech. They can say whatever they want until I decide to take that right away from them on my channel. At least they can say whatever they want elsewhere, but to be able to say that in the comment section probably won't happen, as we do see multiple instances to where they're like, "I'm not going to watch you," but then 10 different videos they're like, "I'm not going to watch you," and I'm like, "Well, you're watching me. You said you weren't going to watch me the first video, but you're watching me the second one, the third one. I can understand, right? But then when you get to 10, I'm like, okay, you're definitely watching me and you're getting notifications or something. I don't know what's happening. Like, how do you know that I'm posting a video every single time?" Either way, let's talk about XRP and exactly what the worth will be. Because I honestly believe that it will be worth a lot. But not only about the worth, it's more about where this will go and how aggressive it will climb. I think XRP will have one of the most aggressive climbs that we will see in the modern crypto market. Right, you see the climb that Solana's having right now, and it looks absolutely amazing. And I'm happy with that because I have a decent amount of Solana. I'm also gaining more Solana on Margex as we speak, and I'm trying to reinvest some of that just to continue to gather more, because I feel like Solana is going to be worth a lot, but I want to be able to gain some without spending any more money, if that makes sense. Um, but the point is, XRP, I've been gaining a lot of. I was able to gain 7,000 like free XRP off of Margex positions and making these investments, and I currently have a decent amount over there as well. But I have 35,000 XRP, and that's why I believe. That's definitely showing that I believe in XRP. But I want to talk about this specifically. I want to talk about XRP. I want to talk about why it's going to have that larger movement. And again, this is my explanation. This is my interpretation of what it is and where it's going. So I hope you guys understand that. But if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to start trading on Margex, I have a link for Margex down below where you guys can, use my referral link, and you start trading on that platform up to 100x leverage. You can do 50x leverage on XRP. You can do up to 50, but you can also do 5x leverage, and you can trade as little as $1, and you can get a feel for exactly what leverage trading is all about, rather than leverage trading, a minimum of 20 or a minimum of $50, because that's something that does hurt your account. You want to make sure that you're taking your time in the learning process. But XRP currently stands at 63 cents, almost 64 cents. It's up by 2.6% on the day. And we're seeing my overall balance at $22,355.07. We're seeing the market cap at $35 billion and volume down 49%, but definitely more in a positive state than it was in that negative state, as things were kind of decreasing yesterday. To a $2.2 billion market cap. We're also seeing the volume to market cap ratio that's sitting at 6.5. It's not really showing a crazy amount of popularity as of right now, but we know what XRP's popularity is. It always sees billions upon billions of dollars. It's just compared to the market cap, it should see kind of a lot more. But XRP is still within this speculative, situation, or in this uncertainty mode. And what do I mean by that? Right? Right now we have the SEC versus XRP, or SEC versus Ripple, which leaves XRP in a tough spot. Like, how is XRP going to climb? Where is it going to go? All this other stuff, because we don't know the outcome of the case. Now, that has also been extended, so it's not going to be April to really have that final decision, unless you lean upon some sort of settlement date in any way. But we haven't heard of anything of that nature. But you also have that uncertainty as to when that's going to happen, when we're going to see any type of final decision, if it's going to be positive or negative. So we're not really seeing XRP move at all. And anytime it does increase, it takes a long time to increase and then decreases in a matter of minutes or hours. but then now has to take those days to now increase again. But honestly, the movement, the trajectory has been a slight increase, a slight incline the whole time. So it's never been like that. Maybe in the short term, you'll see it, move like that. But if you look at it over time, right, you can see that this from this low level here, which was the end of 2022, this has been slowly increasing, right? It has a higher and higher floor, which is definitely an interesting thing and an interesting take. Now we want to see it break, right? And it hasn't had that godlike candle yet. We saw like a small god candle within a smaller time frame, but we want to see a god candle in a larger time frame, which is like all history. If we could see a candle that's like this, where it's absolutely skyrocketing, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for this, where it's absolutely skyrocketing. That's what we're looking for. We haven't seen that. The highest we've seen that too, I think, was like 96 cents, and it should have been a lot further than that if it didn't have that immediate pullback based off of the appeal. Now, why do I think XRP is going to absolutely blow up and have one of the largest runs that you will see within crypto? Because right now it's at a stalling period where we stand at currently for like this last year. We've had increases and then it decreased back down and reset to 50 cents. Increases, decrease back down. Why are we seeing this? Again, the uncertainty. And with that uncertainty comes more uncertainty, right? While everything else is running, Solana, Binance, BNB, BTC, Ethereum, whatever, while everything else is running, XRP seems to stay the same, right? It is up in the last year by 75%, which is fantastic, but you see a lot of other things that are up so much more, and they're running a heck of a lot. Now, currently, we're not in altcoin season. So when we see altcoin season, we're going to see everything else that starts to push, but XRP is going to kind of remain flat. And that's a good thing, right? That's a great thing for XRP. Because if XRP remains flat, what happens? People are investing in these other plays, they start taking profit in these other plays, and then they realize, you know what? The XRP decision's about to be made, or XRP is about to blow up. XRP hasn't seen any type of increase yet. So let me get into what hasn't moved. Let me get into what I see as an opportunity to really move up. So they're going to take, let's say they make $200,000. They take 25% of that and they throw it into XRP because they feel like XRP is going to eventually make that move if it does stay flat, right? And then you see all of that money that's now flowing into this one top position that's going to be worth a lot and heavily used and all of that. So this is my opinion, is that if it's going to stay flat, it creates an opportunity for people to get in when everything else is running. Everybody's looking for the best opportunity because in a FOMO market, what are people always asking? Is it too late? What positions can I get into that it's not too late to be a part of this bull market? And what I'm going to say is XRP. I feel as though XRP will and already has been kind of flat throughout this whole entire time. And I feel like it still provides an opportunity to grow a massive amount. We haven't seen that yet. It just keeps resetting itself. And the point is that we are seeing growth, but we need to see that larger godlike candle, and we will see that eventually. So that's my opinion. That's where I'm coming from. It's not saying it's 100% fact, but if it does stand still, it does create an opportunity for a lot of people to find an entry point in a FOMO'd out market. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I would like to know your opinion down below. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of strong opinions on the opposite side and strong opinions for it. But I always like to hear it if you do have some sort of facts and evidence towards why you believe it's not going to do it or believe it is going to do it, then I will obviously read that. But if someone's just going, hey, XRP's dead, it's like, all right, I don't care what you have to say. I want to hear some facts. I want to hear some information. That's all I care about. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out any of the links down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.